Hello students, today we are going to deal with the trigonometry. This is my third video. In first two videos already I have discussed about the formulas. So those who have not watched my video, go and watch that video so that you can understand my everything. And now we are going to the topic of trigonometry in this video. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it so that you can get the latest notification for my videos. So this is the question what we have asked in the examination hall of 2020. So what was the question? Sin A by 1 plus cot A minus cos A by 1 plus tan A is equal to sin A minus cos A. This was the question what was asked. So we will solve this. Sin A by 1 plus cot A minus cos A by 1 plus tan A. From LHS side we will go. So in LHS side this is the question, sin A by 1 plus cot A minus cos A by 1 plus tan A. Again we will write here sin A by 1 plus cot A means cos A by sin A. This is the formula of cot A. Now cos A by 1 plus tan A means sin A by cos A. From LHS side we will derive RHS side, so we will calculate from here only. So sin A will be the LCM here and cos A will be the LCM here. So sin A, we have taken LCM of sin A, so 1 into sin A is equal to sin A plus cos A by sin A minus cos A by cos A will be the LCM, so 1 into cos A is equal to cos A plus sin A by cos A. Again we will write here sin A will be multiplied with sin A, so sin A into sin A by sin A plus cos A minus cos A, this will come here and it will be a multiply of cos A, so cos A into cos A by cos A plus sin A. So sin A into sin A, sin square A, and cos A into cos A is equal to cos square A. So we will write here sin square A by sin A plus cos A and cos A into cos A is equal to cos square A by sin A plus cos A. So again here sin A plus cos A will be the LCM. So LCM will be sin A plus cos A and sin A square A minus cos square A. Now A square minus B square, what comes? A plus B into A minus B. So here also it will come sin A plus cos A into sin A minus cos A divided by sin A plus cos A. So in between there is multiplication, so this sin A plus cos A and divided by sin A plus cos A, both will be cancelled. So what will come here? Sin A plus cos A will be here. What we have got here as the RHS we are seeing here sin A minus cos A. So what we are seeing here, that sin A or minus cos A already we have derived here, so it is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS is proved. So now we will go for the next question. Now we will deal with the second question of 2019. What is the question? Cosec theta minus sin theta multiplied by sec theta minus cos theta multiplied by tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. So from LHS side we will go again. Then we will write here LHS side that cosec theta minus sin theta sec theta minus cos theta tan theta plus cot theta, which is given in the question only. We will solve here. 1 by sin theta minus sin theta, sec theta means 1 by cos theta minus cos theta, again tan theta means sin theta by cos theta plus cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. We will take the LCM of sin theta here. So sin theta 1 minus, as we have taken here LCM, so sin theta into sin theta is equal to sin square theta. Here cos theta we will take LCM, and cos theta into cos theta will be cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. Here we will take the LCM of sin theta and cos theta, so it will be cos theta into sin theta. Sin theta into sin theta will be sin square theta plus cos theta into cos theta is equal to cos square theta. Here we can see 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta by sin theta. Here 1 minus cos square theta means sin square theta by cos theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, 1 by cos theta into sin theta. Those who have not watched my video, so please go and watch, so that you can understand how we are solving here. And those who have not subscribed, please subscribe it, so that you can get the notifications of my latest videos. So cos square theta is here. So cos square theta into cos theta will be cos square theta. It will be cancelled here with cos theta, and sin square theta is here, and sin theta into sin theta it will be cancelled also. So it will be 1 is equal to RHS we are seeing there. So is equal to RHS. Now we are going for the third question of 2018. Sec square theta plus cosec square theta under root is equal to tan theta plus cot theta. So how we will solve? We will go from the LHS side. So question is sec square theta plus cosec square theta. So if we will derivate it from here, we can write here sec square theta means 1 plus tan square theta, and instead of cosec square theta we can write here 1 plus cot square theta. So instead of these two we will write that one. So sec square theta means 1 plus tan square theta, and instead of cosec square theta we will write here 1 plus cot square theta. Again we will write here cot square theta plus tan square theta. We will write here tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 1 is equal to 2. Now we are seeing here that what we will keep here to get the equation of a square plus b square, we can write here tan and cot, then we will get the equation as a square plus b square. Why we have written here instead of 1, 2 into 1 is equal to 2. This only we are writing here. So 2 was there itself, and instead of 1 we are writing here tan theta into cot theta. If we will write here tan theta into cot theta, that means tan theta into 1 by tan theta, it will be cancelled. So again we will derive here 1 only. So after putting the value of tan theta and cot theta here, we can get here the equation of a square plus b square. So for that we can write here tan theta plus cot theta whole square of under root. Then we can write why it is here, because a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we are writing here a plus b whole square. So this square and this under root will be cancelled, and we can write here tan theta plus cot theta, which is equal to RHS side. So we have got the equation. Now we will go for the last question of 2017 in this video. So what is the question? Evaluate without using trigonometric tables. This is the question, that sin square 28 plus sin square 62 plus tan square 38 minus cot square 52 plus 1 by 4 sec square 30. This is the question what was asked in 2017 in our board. So we will solve this. We will solve as 90 degree minus theta. Those who have not watched this second video, you can go and watch this second video to understand this one. So sin square 28 plus, instead of sin square 62 we will use here sin square 90 degree minus 28 plus tan square 38 minus, instead of cot square 52 we will write here cot square 90 degree minus 38 plus 1 by 4 sec square 30. Sin square 28 plus cos square, what is the value of sin square 90 minus theta? Is cos square theta. So instead of sin 90 square minus 28 we will write here cos square 28 plus tan square 38 minus cot square 90 minus theta is equal to tan square theta. So instead of cot 90 minus theta we will write here tan square 38 plus 1 by 4. What is the value of sec 30? It is the value 2 by root 3. So the square is here, so we will write here square. Again we can write here, see here, sin square theta plus cos square theta, the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So instead of these two we can write here the value 1 plus 10 square theta minus 10 square theta. The plus and minus it will be cancelled. So we can write here 1 plus 1 by 4 multiplied by 2 by root 3 by whole square. Or we can write here 1 plus 1 by 4 multiplied by 4 by 3. This square will be here. So 4 will be cancelled. 1 plus 1 by 3, or we can write here 3 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 4 by 3. This is the answer. So those students who have not subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe that, so that next I will solve the other questions in other videos. Till then, goodbye, good night.